Good morning, welcome back to the Hat House. I'm Steven.
I'm Mary. I have to go pick all the orders because Steven forgot to put all the hats up last night.
Yeah, well, luckily or unluckily, sales weren't that great, so we don't have a whole lot of orders today, but we have some good ones to show you that are going out. I'm going to get all these hats lined back up, get them put away, so I have a place to actually ship the hats today. So we'll see you inside. Alright guys, I got them all lined up. Should be easy just now. I'll just take them and put them into some Rubbermaid totes and then I can put them away. A little bit of bad news on this Notre Dame hat. I lost a button. Hopefully I can find the button and put it back on. But it was a pretty nice hat. It was a new era. It was clean. The button came off though. So hopefully I can get that one repaired. See you guys inside as soon as Mary gets back from picking the orders, and we'll show you what sold. Good news, guys. I found the button, so hopefully we'll be able to get that put back on. And some more good news. I showed you last night the box that came in. We did get this hat listed this morning, and it sold almost immediately. I'll show you in the video how much it sold for when we get to it. But that was really good news. It sold for a good price. All right, we're ready to go. First, we got an ECU Nike hat, East Carolina. Next up, we got a Miami Vice vintage trucker hat. Really cool. That one did take a while to sell. I've owned the blue version, or black version actually. It sells quicker, it seems. The white one took forever. Next up we got, I have no idea how to say it. It's a nice vintage wool hat, leather strap back. It's really well made, but I have no idea what it says. If you want to drop a pronunciation down below, I'll give it a try on the next video. Alright, next up was a cat hat, diesel power. It even had a little bit of staining on it. Nice patch though. Next up was a lot of two hats. Two friends hats, a blue one and a black one. Once that stuff, they kind of started remaking it and it all got mass produced again. So one of those hats like that did not sell for that great of money. Alright, next up, Indiana Grand Racecourse. Snapback hat. Alright, and then we got our Seattle Mariners inaugural game, 1999. This is a vintage 7 3/4. It was in beautiful shape. It sold, I put it at $58. It sold almost immediately. Do you guys think I priced it too low? Maybe I did. Then we got the Florida Marlins. That's also Diamond Collection. 7 3/8. Baseball hats are still sold. I thought I would sell some more college hats this week. Hopefully it picks up when the game starts this weekend. I did start a sale for Labor Day. Put a lot of things on that have been listed for more than 30 days. Hopefully sales pick up. Oh, that was Boston University. There is a college hat for you. vintage Boston University hat. Made by Twins Enterprise. Then we got a marijuana hat, handcrafted, sweet as cannabis. Nice patch on that one. Next up, Orlando Magic Dad hat by Adidas. And the last one going out today was a Chevy Camaro strapback hat. Alright guys, appreciate you tuning in again today. Like I said, I'll show you the sales that we had right here, how they were down a little bit yesterday. Hopefully they'll pick up. Labor Day is usually a pretty good weekend. I'm sure we'll have plenty of packaging going on this weekend. So we'll see you guys soon. Just going to give you a little bit more of an update on how we were doing on sales. As you can see, we're at 674 already today, which was better than yesterday, which we only did 513. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening, about 19 items to ship out. When we shipped this morning, it was around 9 or 10 o'clock, so 19 sales since then. Overall, it seems to be like a lot better day, a lot closer to our normal, which has been around $700 to $800 for the past couple of weeks. It's been pretty rocky for the whole month of August, up and down, up and down, up and down. Hopefully we can get the bar to level up around $800 or $900 through September and October. Thanks for hanging out till the end of the video. Really appreciate it. If you didn't check out our hat unboxing video, make sure you check that out. It had the $58 Mariners hat in it that we sold today, and then about 100 other vintage hats that we're going to get listed really soon, and they'll start selling and showing up in our sold videos. So appreciate you guys for hanging out. And if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do that, because you'll want to see how Labor Day turns out for us on Monday when I drop another video. Thanks, guys.